Excuse me.
You guys hungry? Want something to eat? Got some pasta, shrimp, lobster. I got whiskey.
No. 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 Fuck. This is what has happened to the top of the friggin' cake. I wondered why there was chunks of icing missing off the top of the cake. This is why. Cheeky little May.
The fuck?